Thank you once again for joining me. Me pla work lo share some pla things surrounding tithes na offering. So me like working on pla story where first justly farogaso been sharing lo experience belongem lo talking me pla lo some pla dangers time me pla savvy na me pla using money blo god tithes belongem. On pla story em osem some pla yar go pinis em bin pastoring on pla church na lo tisla ere all churches where been look out in one particular church or offering no work lo come to church district sorry. So district director salimem na tokimem osem you go na go check him this plat church osem wanem na all tithe report na offering report mi plan work lo kisim na pastor save osem church elder am also church treasurer am look out the money blo church. So pastor go come up and ask him elder mi kam lo kisim all story blo money blo church all offering na tithes blo church we supposed to go lo district no work lo come down. So you by talking me some story lo disla elder kirap na talking mem osem pastor treasurer em go lo town. So pastor talking more ba me wait in treasurer em ba kam la havinu no kem ken talking me story blo dis blo money wine em all no church no salim go down lo district na pastor save osem elder ya emet em treasurer. So em stop go havinu night em sleep one time elder morning em kirap na em pray na talking papa god suppose money blow you em stop inside lo sambla lo display house by you soy me osem disla money em stop inside lo display house em pray osem em come outside lo house na em dustim lek blong em lo double display house suppose you think him story where Jesus em give instruction osem suppose you go lo sampla up na all no receiving you dust lo off lo lek blow you na you move on. So past time walk him display em come outside em no look back and em walk about go na em go anta lo one particular hill where this la hill em ba look come back and lo area where house play elder em stop long and time em look him some la smoke lo go anta. So em think him I think elder must walk him some la mumu or kind of same. So em go get a lo next village and em go sleep early morning em arem knock lo door em come outside em look him elder na ask him you or someone em nem to pasta mi talk sorry lo one em to house you sleep na kam long em ya paya kukim all get a something na mi plan no kisim one plus something em one em something mi plan wear him ta solia em mi plan wear him lo skin na mi plan kam na house em new pla house all building long em permanent building. So pasta em kirap na ask him em na treasurer come back finish or no gat na elder em talk sorry straight. So point me like kisim em osem suppose you me save na you me steal a big man probably some time by you me abrusim but you got in time back and God ball me accountable. Thank you em like story blow me pla.